guys, I am Akansha Sahgal and welcome to day 22 of Vlogmas 2020. I hope you all are doing great. So today is 18th of December and it's 12 noon right now. And the agenda for today is basically my schedule is packed because we have assignment tomorrow and I have to work on that. B, I have to go out for some work to be done. And then also I have to work on some new notebook designs. If you have been following my Vlogmas series, you know that I am planning to launch some new notebook designs on my business page. So yeah, I have to work for those designs first before everything else. So I'll be working on that, and I might give you guys a sneak peek of the designs that I worked on. But yeah, first things first, we'll work on that. And yes, this will be a combined video. I'll combine 2 or 3 days. Let's see how it goes. But I'll be combining this video. But for this video, we will be discussing some last minute Christmas gift ideas, because I know some of you are still not sure or have still not bought the Christmas gifts for your friends and family. So I'll be sharing some last minute ideas to make your work easier. And yes, that will be the Christmas specific for today. And yes, I'll now just start working on my notebook designs and I'll see you guys in some time. Okay guys, so I am done with few of the designs and I'll give you a sneak peek. But yeah, it's 2 p.m. right now, so I'll first have my lunch, then I have to go out to get some work done. So I'll do that, and then after that I'll come back home, complete my assignments. So obviously we'll not be having the gift idea discussion today. So yeah, that will be it for today, I guess, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. But before that, let's have the sneak peek. So this one design is for the coffee lovers, and I've made 3 more designs right now, but I'll complete all the designs that I have in my mind, and then I'll get the printing done of the notebooks, and then the notebooks will be launched. So make sure you're following me on Instagram, my personal handle and my business handle, so that you are updated with all the new launches and everything. And now I'll get going, get my work done, and then I'll complete my assignments once I'm back home. Take 2. So yeah, once I'm back home, I'll complete my assignment and then I'll see you guys tomorrow in the same video. Hello everyone, welcome to day 23 of Vlogmas 2020. It's 19th of December and it's 6 p.m. right now. So what I had been doing since morning, obviously first thing assignment. Then I had to go out with my friends and we were out, and I just came back home. And then I finally decided to sit and share some last minute gift ideas with you all. So I know there are few people out there who have still not bought any gifts for their friends and family, and now they are really confused what they can arrange for as gifts in this last moment. So don't worry, I got you covered. So to know all the ideas that you can easily arrange for in this last moment as well, keep on watching this video. And yes, without any further ado, let's just get into the ideas. So all the ideas that I will be discussing in this video do not require you to buy anything online, because I know getting anything online during this pandemic season and plus the holiday season, things are definitely getting delayed. So you don't want to take the risk of ordering something online at this point of time. So all the ideas that I will be sharing with you all will be something that you can easily arrange from the markets nearby your place. So that will make things easier for you. So the very first idea that you can go for is food hampers. Now you can also go for any kind of hampers, but food hampers are the easiest to curate because food essentials are easily available in any kind of market, supermarkets, malls. So you can easily arrange the food stuff from your nearby markets. You can put in some cookies, chips, coffee if they like coffee, and I have discussed about making some hampers in one of my previous videos, so I'll leave a link to that here and in the description box below, as I mentioned, so you can check that video out. And in that video I shared 2 more hamper ideas with you all, so you'll get some more ideas. And when I talk about the hamper, you need not have a proper basket, but if you can arrange for a proper basket, it works wonders. But if you cannot arrange a proper basket, don't worry, just grab a good, nice, beautiful paper bag or any other kind of thing wherein you can put all the stuff together and you can easily gift that as well. The second idea that I have for you guys is yet another easy thing that can easily be arranged from any of your nearby markets, which are accessories. Now you can go for accessories for men and women both. You just need to go in any nearby mall or market and see where accessories are available. And obviously here you have to make some decisions because you have to choose what kind of accessories you want to give. And from all the available options, you have to choose 1 or 2 things, or however you want to go about it. But accessories are always easily available in the market, so you can go for that. The third idea that I have for you is something related to their favorite item. Now I have discussed about what they might need or want in again one of my previous videos, and I leave a link to that. But to give few examples, you can go for their favorite items and you can easily guess their favorite items, because if someone likes to read novels, you can buy a novel from any of the nearby bookstores. Or if they like cooking, you can go for cookbooks or recipe books. If they are in any particular sport, you can buy or gift a sports equipment for them. If someone likes beauty and cosmetics, you can definitely arrange for some cosmetics. Cosmetics and beauty products are easily available in the market, so you can go for that as well. The next idea that I have for you guys is to give personalized cards. Now you can either give a card that you yourself have made, or you can buy a card from the market itself. Cards are easily available, and even if you decide to make one yourself, which will be much more special, so that is also not a long tedious thing, so you can go for that as well. So it's okay that whatever card you choose, but make sure the message that you're putting in the card is completely personalized. Now I have discussed about 5 different ideas that you can go for while writing your cards in again one of my previous videos, and I link that video. Now the next idea that you can go for is a pandemic kit. Now in this you can easily grab some face masks from the market, some hand sanitizers, and you can also add some eye frames in the hamper. Now obviously people are working on their laptops for long duration, so eye frames will definitely help them. You can also add some immunity boosting food that is now available in the market, so you can add those kind of things and make a curated hamper for the person. The next idea that I have for you is something that is not just a one-time idea but can continue for a complete year. And for this idea, you just need to grab a jar or a bowl or a box, any kind of a thing in which you can put some chits. And these chits can be on a monthly basis, like you can put 12 chits for 12 months, you can put 52 chits for 52 weeks, and 365 chits for 365 days. And what you have to do is that just go on, write some of your messages or feelings or any memories that you have with that person on those chits and put it in the jar or the box that you are taking. And if you are going for the 365 days idea, obviously I know you cannot go for just one thing that you can have 365 things for. So you can divide it into different sections and you can take different color chits for different ideas. For example, you can take red chits for memories, blue chits for things you want to say to them or are thankful for, You can take yellow chits for the song that you want to dedicate it to them. So make sure if you're going for something like this, you add instructions on the outside of the box or the container that you are taking, so that the other person knows what color means what kind of messages. And also make sure that you write the instructions related to when they have to open the chits. For example, if you're giving 52 chits, so you need to mention that open one chit every week, so that they know that they don't have to open all the chits all together. So you can go for this kind of idea. Also, what you can do is that you can write some fun activities that you can do together in the chits. For example, you can make 12 chits for 12 months and you can ask them to open a chit every month when they are in mood for some fun activities. You can write activities like having a road trip or having a movie night or having a dinner date. So whenever in a month they feel like going out with you or something like that, they can open one chit and ask you that this month we are doing this. You can also do this with your kids as well. So this is something that you can really do, and this really makes things even more special for the whole year. And this will be really sweet if you gift these jars or boxes to them. The last idea that I have for you, and the idea that can easily be done, is one of my favorite as well. So you just need a photo frame for this, and you need to add a photo in it. Even better if you can have some collaged photos in the frame. For that, you can easily get multiple photos printed out in a smaller size. Take a bigger sheet of the size of the frame and collage all the photos on the photo frame and just add it to the photo frame and gift it to your loved ones. This will make them feel really special. And if you cannot arrange a photo frame by any chance, which is like not a really high possibility, but if by any chance you are not able to arrange a photo frame, you can also what you can do is get your pictures printed out, and it will be even better if you can get them printed out in a Polaroid format and cut them out. And what you need to do is grab a string of light, or if you do not have a light string, you can also take any kind of rope, ribbon or anything like that. Attach all the photos on it with the help of a wooden clip, and your photo memory string is ready, and that will become a really good home decor piece in the coming days as well. So you can gift that. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also do let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos you would like to see after this Vlogmas ends. I would really like to know what kind of videos my new audience would like to see. And yes, this was pretty much it for today, and now I have to edit this video and complete my assignment. I have a presentation tomorrow on a Sunday again, but yeah, that's the agenda. And yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi guys, so it's 20th of December, Sunday, and I just got free. It's 6 p.m. I just got free from my presentations, and it's day 24 of Vlogmas. I am glad that we made it till here, but yeah, it's like amazing. But yeah, so I was exhausted because I was sitting in the class since morning, so it was exhausting, and I knew that I'll not be able to shoot a lot today. So I thought I'll just combine it with the previous 2 days because it's better like that. And yeah, so that was pretty much it. And I thought I could add a closing message to this related to the giveaway that is happening, and the results of that will be announced around 28th of December after the Vlogmas ends, and I'll discuss about this in a bit detail as well. But yeah, that will be the thing. Also, if you are an Indian resident and you're watching my Vlogmas for the first time and don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you're watching my day 1 video to know the details of the giveaway, and also take part if you want to. And yes, this was pretty much it for today's video. And yes, I'll say this thing again to you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.